Kule phi we pui perlok jong kham tam subscriber ki like ki share ki comment ki jong phi hakane ka por ngon raj phi hakane ka jing bisar da ka expert committee halor ka resolution policy te napdeng ki sensan thai ba pher bat ki ban pokmat na ka jylla ka voice of the people party kam ya simbenta hakane ka jing shong bisar biang ya ka resolution policy namar ba kam ya ham kadon kecing ong ruba wat haying dorbar kim ailat ban yatai hakajing sya hakaying dorbar kadi ban yatai nia ban ya pen I ya ban ya kedau ban ya liu jing mut kumno ban pentri kam ya kani reservation rei ka sarkar kam pediang ya kata te tangkum ta kublai sibun kublai syajar ngin sai sempat hakawai pat ka video.
The report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy was tabled in the Maghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 18th of February 2026. During the course of those proceedings, Honorable CM had made a statement in the House that all the political parties will be called to seek their views and consultations and to present basically the findings of the report. As you know, this report has already been tabled in the House. It has been given to all the members of the Legislative Assembly. And today we had presented the main findings of the Committee on the Reservation Policy to all the political parties. And Honorable CM has also directed us to give all these political parties a copy of this report. As you know, it's a voluminous report, 21 volumes, almost 4,000 pages. So the findings and the main recommendations of the committee were presented to the political parties, and we had a discussion on the same.
So what is the view of the majority of the political parties?
It would not be correct for me to talk about their views. I think it's good if you ask them their own views. But the majority of the political parties looked at the presentation, and there was no major disagreement with what the committee has found in the report. I don't want to go into the details of the report. It's a very lengthy report, but the recommendations are there. I think it's already been shared with the press. All of you know the recommendations. So they appreciated the fact that the government has called them, as Honorable Chief Minister had said that this will happen. And Honorable CM also directed that copies of this report should be given to all of them, and if required, further consultations will be held with others.
The status quo, everybody agreed. So will there be any further meeting of party, or this is the first and last?
All the political parties attended, except one. So I don't think there is a need for any other meeting. Some political parties may also give further suggestions after they go through the report. So we have requested them to go through the report in detail. It's a voluminous report. We have presented, obviously, in 1 hour time. You can present only the main issues, the legal position, the constitutional position, since a lot of the issues dealt with the constitutional law issue or the legal issue. And these were presented to the political parties. And all of them greatly appreciated the fact that the government had called them, and we had made this presentation to the political parties.
The VPP fought for review of reservation policy, and the report is ready. Why they did not attend?
So they gave in writing that they'll not be able to attend, but you should ask them. They, of course, informed us that they'll not be attending. We had invited all the political parties. But as to why they didn't attend, I think that question